Hello, beautiful people! Welcome to your very own party makeup adventure, where we'll transform your look and boost your confidence for any special occasion. Today, we're creating a party-ready makeup look that's pure glamour. Think dazzling eyes, glowing skin, and lips that pop. Imagine walking into a room, all eyes on you, confident, powerful, and fabulous. You're not just wearing makeup, you're making a statement. Makeup isn't about hiding, it's about celebrating yourself, expressing your personality, and having fun with colors and textures. This look is perfect for any special event, birthday bash, or a night out with friends, wherever you want to shine. Grab your brushes and your favorite products. Let's make some magic together and turn your vision into reality. Your face is the canvas, and you're the artist. Every brushstroke is a chance to express your creativity. Today, we're painting a masterpiece of sparkle and glow, layering on shimmer and shine for that unforgettable effect. Whether you're new to makeup or a total pro, I'll guide you through every step, sharing tips and tricks along the way. There are no rules, just feel good, experiment with bold colors, and enjoy the process with friends or on your own. We're going bold, beautiful, and unforgettable. Think dramatic eyes, glowing cheeks, and lips that light up the room. Let's get started on this glamorous journey and discover new ways to express yourself. We'll use products for flawless skin, add contour and highlight for dimension, and create a dramatic, sparkling eye that stands out in any crowd. This is your moment to shine. Let your creativity flow and don't be afraid to try something new. Makeup should be joyful. Don't stress about mistakes, because every slip is part of the fun. Every oops is a chance to learn, improve, and get even more creative next time. We're creating more than a look. We're building confidence, celebrating individuality, and embracing pure glamour. Ready to feel amazing? Let's do this together. Grab your makeup, bring your excitement, and let's dive in. The secret to flawless makeup? Skin prep. Start with a gentle cleanser for a fresh, clean slate. Pat your skin dry. Be gentle. Next, moisturize to keep your skin soft and plump. Even oily skin needs hydration for smooth makeup. Massage moisturizer in with upward motions and let it sink in. Now primer. It smooths your skin and helps makeup last all night. Choose a primer for your skin type. Mattifying for oily, hydrating for dry. Apply a small amount, focusing on areas where makeup fades first. Let it set for a minute. Your skin is now smooth, hydrated, and ready for foundation. This base makes all the difference for a long-lasting look. Prepped skin, chalk, party perfection. Let's move on to the next step. Time to create a flawless complexion. This is where your makeup journey truly begins, setting the stage for everything that follows. A smooth, even base helps all your other products blend seamlessly and last longer. Choose a foundation that matches your jawline and gives the coverage you want. Test a few shades if you're unsure, and always check in natural light for the best match. Apply with a damp sponge for a natural finish. Start at the center of your face and blend outward, building up coverage only where you need it. Next, concealer. 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. This brightens and lifts your features, making you look more awake. Apply under your eyes in a triangle, then blend for instant brightness. This technique helps conceal dark circles and draws attention upward. Add a touch to your forehead, nose, and chin for extra lift. These areas catch the light naturally, so highlighting them enhances your bone structure. Now, contour. Use a product a few shades darker than your skin. Creams or powders both work. Choose what you're comfortable with. Apply to the hollows of your cheeks, jawline, and sides of your nose. This creates definition and sculpts your face for a more dimensional look. Blend well for soft, natural shadows. Take your time. Blending is key to avoiding harsh lines and achieving a seamless finish. Highlight the high points, cheekbones, nose, brow bone, cupid's bow, for a radiant glow. A little shimmer here catches the light and brings your features forward. Add blush to the apples of your cheeks for a healthy flush. Smile and blend. This step brings warmth and life back to your face. Your base is done. You look stunning. Take a moment to admire your work and feel confident in your fresh, glowing skin. Let's keep the momentum going. Next up, eyes. Get ready for sparkle and creativity as we move on to the next step. Now for the showstopper, sparkling party eyes. Whether you're heading to a festive celebration or just want to add some extra dazzle to your look, This eye makeup will make you the center of attention. Start by priming your eyelids so your eyeshadow stays vibrant and crease-free all night long. A good primer creates a smooth base and helps your makeup last through hours of dancing and fun. Next, sweep a neutral matte shade into your crease to add depth and dimension. This step gives your eyes a natural contour and makes the sparkles stand out even more. Blend with a fluffy brush. This is your transition shade. Take your time blending to avoid any harsh lines and achieve a soft, professional look. Add a darker color to the outer corner in a V shape for drama. This technique lifts the eyes and adds intensity, perfect for a night out. Blend edges for a seamless look. Time for sparkle. Make sure everything is smooth before moving on to the fun part. Pat a glitter or metallic shadow onto the center of your lid. This catches the light beautifully and gives your eyes that wow factor. Use your finger for maximum impact. The warmth helps the shimmer stick and shine even brighter. This makes your eyes pop and catch the light from every angle, ensuring you stand out in every photo and on the dance floor. Add a sharp winged eyeliner for classic glamour. A bold wing frames your eyes and adds that extra touch of sophistication. Finish with a few coats of mascara for long, voluminous lashes. Want extra drama? Layer your mascara for even more volume and definition. False lashes are coming up. They're the ultimate way to take your party look to the next level. Your eyes are now bold, sparkling, and party-ready, guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. Let's frame them with perfect brows. Well-groomed brows balance your look and highlight your eyes even more. Keep blending for that pro finish. You're almost there. With these steps, your sparkling party look is complete. Get ready to shine all night long. Brows and lashes. Your look's finishing touch. Brush your brows upward with a spoolie to see their shape. Fill in sparse areas with a brow pencil, using light, hair-like strokes. Blend with the spoolie for a natural finish. Clean up the edges with a bit of concealer under the brow. Now, false lashes. Trim to fit, apply glue, and place close to your lash line. Press gently for instant glamour. Lashes make your eyes look bigger and more dramatic. Choose your style, natural or bold. Let the glue dry, then blend your real and false lashes with mascara. Brows and lashes frame your masterpiece. You're looking fierce. Ready for lips? Let's finish strong. Time for luscious lips. Exfoliate and hydrate your lips for a smooth base. Choose your party color: classic red, berry, or bold pink. Line your lips with a matching liner for definition and staying power. Slightly overline if you want fuller lips. Fill in with liner for a long-lasting base. Apply your lipstick. Use a brush for precision. Blot and add a second coat for extra durability. Want extra shine? Add a touch of gloss. Your pout is now bold and party-ready. Lips complete the look. You look incredible. Let's lock it all in. Let's make sure your glam lasts all night. Lightly dust translucent setting powder over your face to set your base. Press powder into oily areas for extra staying power. Brush away excess powder. Now, setting spray. Hold at arm's length and mist in an X and T motion. Let it dry. Don't touch your face. This melts powders together and keeps makeup transfer-proof. Your look is now locked in and ready for anything. You've prepped, sculpted, sparkled, and perfected every detail. Put on your favorite outfit, spritz some perfume, and go shine. Enjoy the party. You deserve it. Thanks for joining this makeup adventure. Until next time, stay glamorous.